Is your ABS or brake warning light stuck on the dashboard? Don't panic. In this beginner-friendly video, I'll show you step by step how to diagnose, fix, and reset the ABS and brake light on your car, using simple tools, at home, with no mechanic needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Check brake fluid level. Open your hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. If the fluid is below the min line, top it up with the correct type, usually .3 or .4, as labeled on the cap. Low brake fluid is one of the most common reasons for the brake light to come on. Step 2. Inspect ABS sensors at each wheel. Look behind each wheel near the brake rotor for the ABS sensor. Is it covered in dirt or grime? Are the wires damaged or disconnected? Clean the sensor gently with brake cleaner and check for any broken wiring. Step 3. Check the brake pads and rotors. Worn-out brake pads or uneven rotors can cause braking issues and trigger warning lights. If the pads are less than 3 mm thick, they need replacing. Look for grinding noise or visible wear. Step 4. Inspect ABS tone rings. Next, check the ABS tone ring. It's the toothed ring near the wheel hub. If the ring is cracked, rusted, or missing teeth, it can cause a false ABS error. Clean it or replace if necessary. Step 5. Test the brake light switch. The brake light switch, located near the brake pedal, tells the car you're braking. Press the brake pedal. If the brake lights don't turn on, replace the switch. It's an easy and cheap fix. Step 6. Check the ABS fuse. Locate the fuse box, under the dash or in the engine bay. Find the ABS fuse using your fuse diagram. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same amperage. Fuses can blow randomly, especially after battery or brake work. Step 7. Use an OBD2 scanner that supports ABS. Plug an OBD2 diagnostic tool into your car's port, usually under the dashboard. Choose a scanner that can read ABS-specific codes. It will tell you exactly which wheel sensor, module, or circuit is failing. Fix the fault, then clear the code using the tool. Step 8. Check ground wires for corrosion. Bad grounding points can cause sensor errors. Look near the ABS module or battery for rusty or loose ground wires. Clean with sandpaper and tighten if needed. Step 9. Bleed the brakes if fluid was low. If the brake fluid was empty or low, you may have air in the brake lines. Bleed the brakes using the two-person method or a vacuum bleeder. Start with the furthest wheel and work your way in. Step 10. Advanced. Test the ABS pump or module. If everything checks out and the light stays on, the issue could be your ABS pump or control module. These parts may need testing or replacement by a mechanic, but your scanner will usually show a related fault code like C0035 or U0121. Step 11. Take a short test drive. Drive slowly and apply the brakes gently. If the lights stay off and braking feels normal, you've successfully fixed the issue. If the lights return, revisit your scanner or steps above. Step 12. Reset the ABS and brake lights. After fixing the problem, use your scanner to clear the fault codes. Some cars will automatically reset the lights after a short drive if the issue is resolved. Step 13. Try a manual reset without a scanner. If you don't have a scanner, try this trick. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect it and start the car. This may reset the light, but only if the root problem is already fixed. When to see a mechanic. If your brakes feel soft, spongy, or the pedal sinks to the floor, stop driving and get professional help immediately. Your safety comes first. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dashboard warning light tutorials. Comment your car make, model, and year below. I reply fast to help you fix it. Don't forget to check out my other videos on check engine lights, traction control, and TPMS resets.